Come test drive this 2008 BMW 328. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle invigorates its segment with sporty proportions, generous equipment, and exceptional safety. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. BMW prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear cup holders, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.